Good morning students. In this video I will explain you to how to convert past perfect tense sentences into negative and interrogative form. Before that you must know that what are past perfect tense sentences. The past perfect tense is used to express that one thing happened before another in past. एक चीज़ जो दूसरे के पहले पास्ट में हुई थी that is known as past perfect tense or the work that has completed. The positive form of these kind of sentences have a subject plus had plus third form of verb. इस टाइप के sentences में एक subject होता है, had plus third form of verb is there. For example, the teacher had checked. The third form of check is checked. The work. So the teacher had checked the work is the positive form. The other example is the students had completed the work. Had plus third form of verb means complete की third form is completed students. Now when we convert these kind of sentences into negative, what happens? Now had is the helping verb here. We add not after had. We don't change the form of verb. Verb की third form as it is रहेगी. सिंपली आप नॉट ऐड कर देंगे हैड के बाद. द टीचर हैड नॉट चेक्ड द वर्क एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द स्टूडेंट्स हैड नॉट कंप्लीटेड द वर्क. वी एडेड नॉट आफ्टर हैड. According to the rule, when you convert these kind of sentences into interrogative form, you start the sentence with had. Always I tell you, when we start the sentence with helping verb, it becomes an interrogative. So when you shift had in the beginning, it converts into interrogative sentence. And you have not changed the form of verb in this sentence also. The sentence becomes, had the teacher checked the work? हमारा positive sentence क्या था? The teacher had checked the work. Right? In positive form, had यहाँ पर था, the teacher had checked the work, and when you converted into interrogative, you added had in the beginning of the sentence. Had the teacher checked the work? Question mark. Now the next sentence is, had the teacher not checked the work? अगर आप negative sentence का interrogative बनाएंगे, तो had shifts in beginning, not remains in its own place. The teacher had not checked the work converts into had the teacher not checked the work? Question mark. The next sentence is had the students completed the work? Okay. So this was the rule. When you convert past perfect sentences into negative form, you add not after had, and when you convert the same sentence into interrogative form, you start the sentence with had and end the sentence with a question mark. It becomes an interrogative sentence. Okay students, good day all of you.